Hey everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can create AWS account. In this series, we will be creating AWS account. Thereafter, I'll be showing you how you can set up your EC2 instance. And then after a couple of lessons, I'll show you how you can install and set up your Anaconda and Python on remote server, which is EC2 instance. So you need to come here at the Google and then you need to search here AWS console. Just search AWS console, you will come AWS Management Console. So here is the product which we are going to explore basically. So we'll be using here EC2. You need to come here in compute and then EC2. So this is the product which we are going to use for our services. And this is where we will be hosting our server. Let's go ahead and click on create account. Once you click on create account, all right, then it is going to ask email. I'm going to provide my email, Udemy, kgptalkie.com. And account name, I'm going to provide here, kgptalkie. Let's go ahead and verify the email address. It is asking about the verification code, but before that, security verification I have to do here. So G7, maybe RDSF, probably it is. Let's go ahead and check this. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. So I'm going to check my email. And thereafter, I'm going to put this particular, the verification code, which is sent at my email. Let me just quickly get that my email. Here I see that on the email, I have got this verification code. I'm just going to put that and then I verify my account. All right. It says that it's you, your email is verified here. So I'm going to create here a password. All right. So what I do here, I'm going to select some random password generator. Basically, I'm just going to use to generate my password, and then I just simply copy this password and then paste it here, and similarly this password as well. All right, perfect. Now I see it is created. Once it is created, thereafter what I do here, I save this with the Udemy at the rate kgptalkie.com, and then I'm just gonna save this. All right, perfect. So my password is saved here and I am signing up for the AWS. We are going to choose here a plan. So basically I choose a free plan for a 6 month and we are going to receive $200 into the credit. All right, perfect. So we are going to select here choose free plan. All right. Now it is going to ask all of these things. So I'm going to complete all these. Once it is completed, then I'll continue this video. All right. So thereafter, it is asking about some billing information. In billing information, it asks about the credit card and the debit card and all these information. Don't worry about that. It is not going to charge you. So it is going to charge you only $1, but after some time, basically 3 to 4 days, it is going to reverse that charge. I'm going to fill these information and thereafter I'll continue for the next step. After providing the billing information, now it is asking about the identity. So I say that this is primarily for the academic ownership type. I'm going to say that here as the individual, and then it is going to ask other information. So I'm just going to put all these information and then I'll continue. All right. We have successfully completed the registration of our AWS account. Now what we need to do, we need to come here and search EC2. So this is our EC2 instance. In next lesson, I'll show you how you can create a EC2 instance. All right, I'll see you then.